We are at the Redbird House. It is the newest feeling of all of them. Walk into a formal living room they're using as a playroom. We've got real tile on the floor and carpet. And then you walk into your formal or great room here. To the left, you've got your downstairs half bath, pedestal sink. Got a coat closet there. Straight through is the dinette, the eat-in kitchen, and the bar. Got real wood cabinets, Formica countertops. All looks like it's in good condition. Gas range. Actually got a large pantry there with a white door. That's the front door you see. Stairs to the second floor and the living area. Window coverings. We've got all window coverings and all ceiling fans. Large backyard here with some mountain views actually. Not a whole lot going on back here, but it looks really nicely maintained. Little shed there. This is a north-facing backyard, probably the best orientation.